Thank you very much, Michael. Hello, Mr. Sahib. Just a couple of interconnected. One question to speak to. Since last 2 years, being from Peshawar, I see Afghanistan's economy in a much better shape than Pakistan. The dollar rate is much better over there, although you're using very complicated words, but I want to know why is that? Especially keeping in view that whenever rulers come in Pakistan, they have such huge expenditures. People from Washington, D.C., when they look at us, they wonder how do we beg with such a beautiful smile. Like, they really wonder when they're at home. They don't tell you that, but they really wonder that. Second thing is, with the economy, justice system is also, today we have a journalist colleague who was killed 2 years ago. Till today his justice is not served.